Hey guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today's video is a little bit different. As you can see, I'm outside because this is my first vlog. I'm actually going shopping for some ingredients for a delicious recipe that I have planned is coming to the blog and to our YouTube channel real soon. So I thought I'll take you guys along with me. It's a French supermarket, so hopefully something new and something different that you haven't seen before. And basically I'm going to take you with me in the shopping trip. I'm going to show you what I buy, and then you're going to stay tuned for the recipe video that is coming real soon to our channel. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss anything. And obviously if you like this kind of vlog, this kind of video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, because that lets me know that you want me to produce more of this type of content. And with that being said, let's go shopping. Assistant with me, isn't she lovely? This is one of my favorite aisles. There's like all the imported stuff and all the specialty goods like ceps, dried ceps, and you have morels here, and you have different types of sauces and kind of like more specialty items. Look how cute that is. Porcini mushrooms and lots of other yummy things. This is delicious with cheese like camembert or brie, confit onions. I love American food, so we've got like popcorn. There are some peanut spread thingies, cups. American mustard. Oh, we need one of those, Coles. Maple syrup, and lots of other goodies. What's here? Chocolate, peanut butter, and it's all in English. Look, hot dog sausages, all sorts of other American stuff, cookies, relish there. What are these? And what are those? Oh, grilled onions we have here, and we have pancake mix. That's so cool. Pancake mix. Hey guys, so I didn't find everything that I wanted in this supermarket, so we're going to a second one on the way home. Excuse all the noise, we're in the car park of the first supermarket, and I'm squinting a little bit because it's super hot and super sunny, as you can see, and apparently it's been the hottest winter for 200 years here in France, so there's that. But at least the day is nice and it's warm and we can go shopping and there's no rain, so yay! I'll see you in a bit. Chocolate chips. Yeah, chocolate chips. This is what we're getting. Looking for Baileys now. So I'm grabbing one of them. Thank you very much. Alright guys, so that's it. We're all shopped out. We're going home now and we are very tired, as you can tell. Can't wait to have a cup of coffee, chillax, and then I'm going to show you guys what I bought and all the little bits and bobs for the recipe that's coming up on our channel real soon. So see you in a bit. Here you go, you guys, my little shopping haul. I bought some chocolate coins. Some of these are 4-leaf clover chocolates. I don't know what I'm going to make with them yet, but here are my main ingredients. Some chocolate chips, some parchment paper, the Baileys, which was much cheaper than the faux Baileys that they were selling at Lidl, and some baking powder, flour, some cream, and loads of butter. I've just got one in here, the rest in the car. I just wanted to show you guys, and also I couldn't resist when we went to buy the jeans, this gorgeous little fluffy jumper, which is really pretty, and it has these kind of like balloon sleeves, and it's super soft, and I fell in love with it. So that one is mine. It's nothing to do with the recipe, but here are the ingredients more or less, and the recipe is coming to the blog real soon, so stay tuned.